Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
8 answers. If you're doing any sort of development, or building with Maven or Ant, you need to point to the JDK, Java Development Kit, where utilities such as Javac, the Java compiler, reside. Otherwise, you can point to the JRE, Java Runtime Environment. The JDK contains everything the JRE has and more.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In the variable name box, type Java_home in capital letters. In the variable value box, type the correct path to the JRE. Click OK to set the path and close the dialog box. Leave the environment variables dialog box open and follow the instructions in Set the Java_home system path.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The JDK also contains a JRE to run the Java program. 1.1 on Ubuntu or Linux, we can use which Javac to find out where JDK is installed. In the above example, the JDK is installed at usr, lib, jvm, adoptopen JDK 11 hotspot AMD 64. 1.2 on Windows, we can use where Javac to find out where JDK is installed.
Let's help you make your mark.
The Java Development Kit, JDK, is a software development environment used for developing Java applications and applets. It includes the Java Runtime Environment, JRE, an interpreter, loader, Java, a compiler, Javac, an archiver, JAR, a documentation generator, Javadoc, and other tools needed in Java development.
Let's help you make your mark.
No, you can't develop Java programs only with JRE. You will need JDK for compiling your programs. JRE provides only runtime environment, but JDK is something you will need to compile your code to make them executable by your JRE.
Let's help you make your mark.
You do not need to install JRE then, as JDK usually consists of both development and runtime environments in it. If you install JDK, then JRE will already be packaged in it and installed automatically along with JDK. Java greater than, you need to have JDK which already has JRE in it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.